Unpacking, chisel in, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss. The phrase, chisel in. This is a phrase that you might come across in English conversations, and it's a bit of a tricky one. So we're going to break it down together today. Stay tuned to learn all about it and enhance your English vocabulary. The phrase, chisel in, is an idiomatic expression in English. When we say someone is trying to chisel in, we generally mean that they are trying to insert themselves into a situation or conversation in a forceful or unwelcome manner. It can also imply that someone is attempting to take advantage of a situation for their own benefit. The word chisel alone generally refers to a tool used for cutting or shaping hard materials like stone or wood. However, when used in this idiomatic expression, it takes on a more figurative meaning. Think of it like someone using a chisel to carve out a space for themselves where they might not necessarily be wanted or invited. Let's go through some examples to see how this phrase can be used in real-life conversations. 1. I can't believe he tried to chisel in on our plans at the last minute. 2. In this example, someone is expressing frustration that another person is attempting to join their plans without an invitation, and possibly in a disruptive manner. 3. She has a tendency to chisel in on conversations, even when she doesn't know anything about the topic. 4. Here, someone is commenting on another person's habit of inserting themselves into discussions, potentially making things awkward or uncomfortable. 5. Don't let him chisel in and take credit for your hard work. 6. In this case, the phrase is used to warn someone that there might be another person trying to take advantage of their efforts and claim it as their own. So there you have it, a deep dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, chisel in. Remember, it's all about context when it comes to idioms. And now that you know what this one means, you'll be better equipped to understand and use it in your own conversations. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Until next time, happy learning!